Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn off TikTok analytics on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just open up your TikTok app. Once you're here, just go to profile, then tap on the three-line icon on the top right corner, or the hamburger icon, then tap on business suite. And once you're here, you'll see analytics, and going to tap on that. You have all the analytics right here, and if you want to disable this feature, you simply need to go back right here, then open up the hamburger icon again, then tap on the settings and privacy, tap on account, then tap on switch to personal account, and switch anyway right here. And as you can see, it is now switched to my personal account, and that feature is now gone. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.